Ever pondered how to turn trading into a profitable endeavor? Welcome to the exciting world of trading, a realm where fortunes can be made and dreams can come true. It's a universe of numbers, trends, and strategic decisions, where the potential for profit is as immense as the ocean and the opportunities are as numerous as the stars in the sky. But hold your horses. Success in trading is not a simple game of chance. It's more like a game of chess, requiring strategic planning, careful analysis, and a keen understanding of the market's ebbs and flows. At its core, trading is a simple concept. You buy low, you sell high. It's like buying a priceless artifact at a yard sale, then selling it at an auction for a handsome profit. Understanding the trading dynamics is the first step towards making a profit. The market is a vast ocean. To navigate successfully, one must understand its ebbs and flows. Imagine the market as a living, breathing entity. It's always in motion, driven by a multitude of factors. The first step to understanding the market is recognizing the importance of market trends. These trends are essentially the heartbeat of the market, giving us a general sense of the market's direction. They can be upward, downward, or sideways, and understanding these trends can help you predict future price movements. Next, we move on to market analysis. This is the compass that guides your trading journey. There are two main types of market analysis, fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis involves evaluating a company's financial health, the state of the economy, and other macroeconomic factors. On the other hand, technical analysis focuses on statistical trends derived from trading activity, such as price movement and volume. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses, and many traders choose to use a combination of both for a well-rounded view of the market. Now let's consider the role of global events. The market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It's influenced by political happenings, economic shifts, and even natural disasters. Therefore, staying updated with global news is crucial. An earthquake halfway around the world can send ripples through the market, affecting your trades. But understanding the market isn't a one-time task. It's a continuous process of learning and adapting. The market is ever-changing, and so should your strategies be. It's like sailing on the ocean. You can't control the waves, but you can learn how to ride them. So, how do you stay updated? It's simple. Read financial news, follow market analysts, participate in trading forums, and never stop learning. Remember, knowledge is your most powerful tool in the trading world. Armed with knowledge, you can anticipate market movements and make informed trading decisions. After all, the more you understand the market, the better you'll be at navigating its vast ocean. In the digital age, the right trading platform is your best ally. Imagine it as a co-pilot, guiding you through the volatile skies of the market. Without the right platform, you're flying blind, and that's a risk you can't afford to take. Let's talk about what makes a good trading platform. A user-friendly interface is a must. You want a platform that's easy to navigate, allowing you to execute trades swiftly and confidently. Next, look for reliable customer service. The markets don't sleep, and neither should your support team. You need a platform that offers round-the-clock assistance, ready to tackle any technical hitches or queries you might have. Transparency in charges is another crucial factor. Hidden fees can eat into your profits, so ensure your platform is upfront about its costs. Lastly, comprehensive educational resources can give you a competitive edge. A platform that provides insightful market analysis and educational tools can help you make informed decisions. A robust trading platform is the launchpad for your trading success. Trading is not about luck, it's about strategic planning. It's easy to get swept up in the exciting world of trading, with its rapid pace and potential for significant returns. But to consistently make a profit, you need more than just a quick wit and a keen eye. You need a plan. A well-thought-out strategic plan is like a compass guiding you through the unpredictable seas of the market. First and foremost, setting realistic goals is essential. No one becomes a millionaire overnight. Aim for steady, sustainable growth. Whether that's a certain percentage increase each month or a specific dollar amount by year's end, having a clear goal gives you a target to aim for and helps measure your progress. Next, you have to consider risk management. The market is a place of potential, but it's also fraught with risk. To protect yourself, you need to decide in advance how much you're willing to risk on each trade. This could be a set amount or a percentage of your total trading capital. But remember, the key is to only risk what you can afford to lose. Discipline is another critical aspect of trading. It's easy to let emotions take over, especially when a trade isn't going as planned. But having the discipline to stick to your strategy, even in challenging times, can make the difference between success and failure. Now let's talk about different trading strategies. In the world of trading, one size does not fit all. Some traders prefer day trading, where positions are opened and closed within a single day. Others gravitate towards swing trading, aiming to capture gains over a few days or weeks. Then there's position trading, where traders hold onto their investments for months or even years, banking on long-term trends. Remember, the strategy you choose should align with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your personal style. A well-crafted trading strategy is your roadmap to profit. With careful planning, disciplined execution, and a little bit of patience, you can navigate the market's waves and reach your trading goals. In the world of trading, emotions can be your biggest adversary. It's a battlefield out there, but the fiercest battles often take place within us. Fear and greed, two powerful emotions, can significantly impact your trading decisions. Let's start with fear. It's a natural response to risk, but in trading it can be a double-edged sword. Fear can keep you from taking unnecessary risks, which is good, but it can also paralyze you, preventing you from seizing profitable opportunities. Picture yourself staring at a plummeting stock. You're gripped by fear, unable to decide whether to hold on or cut your losses. In such moments, fear has taken the driver's seat, clouding your judgment. On the other side of the spectrum, we have greed. It's that insatiable desire for more, the belief that the next trade could be the big one. Greed can lead you to throw caution to the wind, to invest more than you can afford to lose, or to hold on to a position for too long, hoping for even greater profits. It's like being on a winning streak in a casino and refusing to cash out, convinced that your luck will hold. Greed, like fear, can distort your decision-making process. So, how can you conquer these emotions? The answer lies in emotional discipline and maintaining a cool head, especially in volatile markets. It's about sticking to your trading plan, even when your emotions are telling you to do otherwise. It's about understanding that losses are part of the game, and that not every trade needs to be a home run. It's about being patient, waiting for the right opportunity rather than chasing profits. Trading is not just about numbers and charts. It's a psychological game. Your emotions can be your greatest enemy or your most powerful ally. It all depends on how well you understand and control them. Remember, the market doesn't know you, your hopes, fears, or desires. It simply reflects the collective actions of all traders. Your job is not to let your emotions dictate those actions. Mastering your emotions is crucial to your trading success. It's not easy, but with practice, patience, and discipline, you can turn the battlefield within into a source of strength. Making a profit from trading is no magic trick, but a journey of learning, planning, and discipline. We've journeyed together through the labyrinth of trading, demystifying its complexities and revealing the key elements that can set you on the path to profitability. Firstly, we dove into understanding market dynamics. Knowing how the market ebbs and flows and the factors that influence these movements is fundamental to successful trading. Recognizing trends, analyzing economic indicators, and interpreting market sentiments are all part of this critical understanding. It's like being a surfer, reading the waves to know when to ride and when to wait. Next, we explored the importance of choosing the right trading platform. Your trading platform is your gateway to the market. It needs to be reliable, user-friendly, and packed with the necessary tools and features to aid your trading decisions. It's like choosing the right vehicle for a road trip. The smoother the ride, the better the journey. We then talked about strategic trading. This is where we put our market understanding into action. By developing a robust trading strategy, setting realistic goals, and adhering to a well-thought-out plan, you can navigate the market's choppy waters. It's akin to playing chess, planning your moves, anticipating your opponent's strategies, and staying several steps ahead. Lastly, we touched on the role of emotions in trading. Emotions can be a trader's worst enemy if not kept in check. Fear and greed can distort your decision-making process, leading to hasty decisions and unnecessary losses. It's essential to maintain emotional discipline, trading with your head, not your heart. So, there you have it. Trading isn't about quick riches or luck. It's a journey that requires knowledge, strategy, and emotional control. It's a marathon, not a sprint. With these key takeaways, you're better equipped to face the trading world. Remember, the journey of a successful trader begins with a single step. With knowledge, strategy, and emotional control, you can turn trading into a profitable endeavor.